Next, continue for the next class. Quality attributes and embedded systems. These are the attributes of the together from the decoding of the factor about the quality and embedded system. There are two types of the quality attributes. Okay, first one, operational quality attributes. Those are attributes related to the operations or functioning of an embedded systems. There are they weigh on the embedded system operates in effects of the overall quality. Overall quality means, first, for example, we have designing some embedded equipments we have to manufacture and designing. So then what these manufacturing of the some manufacturing companies, first one is checking of what is the lifetime warranty, and next one futures. Each and everything we have to check in a real time product. Okay, and we have to measure the quality at the same time. Quality we have find out, we are checking in quality purpose. Okay, that is the purpose of attributes related to operation functioning and embedded systems. Okay, that is the quality measurements. Next one, non-operation quality attributes. These are attributes not related to the operation functioning and embedded systems. These embedded system, it's often allowed the overall qualities. Those are attributes associated with embedded systems before it can be put in the operations. That means some embedded system devices cannot given some guarantee. Okay, because of use and throw. Some devices are using for use and throw. Few days we are working on few days, that is the non-operation quality attributes. Okay, these operational attributes is first we have to check in response. Okay, first one, response throughput, reliability, maintainability, scheduled periodic maintenance, and maintenance unexpected failure, security, safety. Okay, so those are first one. Non-operational attribute means test testability, debugability, availabilities, portabilities, time, prototype, and market, per unit and total cost. Okay, that is the non-reliability. Okay, non-operational quality attributes. So first, first we have to operational attribute. First we have to give in terms of response is the measure to quickness of the systems. It's given ideas about the fast your system is tracking input variables. Most of the embedded systems demand fast response, which should be real time. Okay, already have to discuss in some real time product. Real time product means we have to check in each and everything. Okay, that product we have to manufacturing product, then how to working features, quality, cost, everything we have to check. That is a real time product. Okay, next, throughput. The details can be efficiency of the systems can be defined as rate or productions or process. It defined as the process overall standard period of time. Okay, it's we have given them 1 year, 2 year warranty, but it's working or not working. We have check it. Okay, for example, for example, as a mobile phone. A mobile phone, we have taken some guarantee 1 year or 2 years, but then how many years are working? So number of years depending upon securities, mobile securities and safety. Okay, next, reliability means measure how much percentage we have to open to for the functioning of the system. Reliability means percentage, battery percentage, charge percentage. Okay, each and everything we have to check it. Maintainability means which support can be maintenance or not, end of the user client case of technical users issues. Okay, that is the main purpose of operational quality attributes. Okay, next, non this schedule of the periodic maintenance. This is maintenance of the required regularly after the periodic time interval. Example, periodic clinic, air conditioners. Okay, that is. Maintenance of unexpected failure. Unexpected means it's not powering. Air conditioner not powering on. Printer not taking the paper spit on the full of the paper stuck. Okay. That means you have to problems some problems given some problems, that is a non periodic attribute. So there is no security, safeties. Okay, these are called as a non periodic attributes and non operational attributes. See that testability and debugging abilities, it's it deals with how easily one can be tested. He had to design the applications, and by which mean he and she cannot the test in. For example, somebody as a China piece means that already have to discuss in some unexpected equipments. There is no warranty and cheap and best qualities. Okay, we have we are using from some few days, we are working for few days, after that we automatically it's damaged. Okay, that is the main thing of the non-operational attributes. See, non-operational attributes, testing domains, debugging, availability, portability, time, everything is same. Okay, next last topic of the first unit and domain specifications. Domain specifications, these domain specification means like a embedded systems, there are mainly three domains. Okay, there are mainly three domains. First one, sorry, not embedded systems, electronic communications. Electronic we see as a three domains, mainly three domains. One is the VLSI, embedded systems, and DSP, digital signal processing. These embedded systems mainly applications of specific domain, and expect an embedded system designed to specific purpose. That means domain means already we have to discussing in it means is a particular specific task, that is a embedded system specific task. That means any electronic device like a real time product or prototype products, anyone. Okay, that is a real time products. So next we have started for second unit. Thank you.